Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Learning. Today we will learn some birds name. First is parrot. 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 Parrot means tota. Second is crow. 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 Crow means kawwa. Third is duck. 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 Duck means batak. Fourth is peacock. 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 Peacock means more. Fifth is sparrow. 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 Sparrow means gauraiya. Sixth is pigeon. 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 Pigeon means kabutar. Seventh is bat. Bat. Bat means chamgadar. Eighth is nightingale. 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 Nightingale means bulbul. Ninth is owl. Owl. Owl means ullu. Tenth is ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich means Suturmurg. 11th is hawk. Hawk. Hawk means baj. 12th is cock. Cock. Cock means murga. 13th is cuckoo. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means koyal. 14th is crane. Crane. Crane means saras. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Kids Learning for more interesting video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.